How to mark a message as read on Yahoo Mail app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to Yahoo Mail as you can see right here. This is the home page. Now choose the message that you want to mark as read. For example, I'm gonna choose this one right here. Click on it and keep clicking like this. Now all what you have to do is go down and click here on mark as read. Now the message is marked as read easily and fast as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.